Hey flowers, secret Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my wig that I have on today, honey. Yes, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this wig, give you a little bit of a review, and all that goodness. So before we get into it, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell down below for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I will see you guys in my next video. But don't leave yet. Continue watching. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. Firstly, let's just talk about my nails. I had to shorten them because I'm about to be doing some hair. So these are mad ugly. Like, I hate short nails. But I did like a little natural mad whack. But anyway. So I got this hair. It's the Amazon company. The hair was sent to me. It's Yayaku. Hope you can see that. Yayaku. Yeah. So this is how the hair came in this box. It, you know, nice little box. And then when you open it, the wig was of course in here in a plastic bag. It comes with a care card to tell you how to care for the hair. All that good. All that good. Alright. And then also it comes with 2 wig caps. Nude ones though, so I probably wouldn't use these. To me, if I did, I would have to put some foundation on it. I use brown caps and I don't put foundation on it because my scalp is so much lighter than me. But let's get into the hair. This is a 8-inch bob with but this is a frontal, but it's 6 by 13, so the part is actually really deep, which I love. Like I love bobs on me. I love bob wigs. I will do a bob any day of the week. But my thing is like, you know, it bleached pretty good. It bleached a little blonde, but I do kind of like it because I think it looks a little natural. I didn't pluck any of the hair. So this is how the hairline came. And, you know, I like a natural, more thick hairline because my real hairline is really thick. So this was perfect for me. I literally only bleached the knots, straightened the hair, which I'll insert a clip here of how I did that. So yeah, like that's literally all I did to this wig. I straightened it a little bit. I didn't show that part. I washed it, of course, with some conditioner and shampoo after I bleached the knots. And this is how the hair looks. I really do love the wig. You can, of course, part it any way you want. I'm not used to having these like round tip nails. But yeah. So the wig is really gorgeous. I really do love it. And I will also link everything down below. This wig was, I believe after taxes, it came up to like $71.85. I want to say. Do not quote me. I'll put it down below in the description box. I'll link you down below so you guys know exactly where you can go and get this hair on Amazon. But it's inexpensive. A $70 bob. Like, where could you go wrong? Like, seriously, where could you go wrong? The hair is nice and soft. The hair is flowing, sis. So I really do like this hair. Hot girl summer. Completely. Okay? With the bob action. With the bob. Yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little quick review. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to join the flower gang, sis. I got flowers on everywhere. Flowers. I'm trying to persuade you, sis. Become a flower, sis. We living life over here. We chilling over here. We doing it big over here. And if you hear construction in the background, I live in New York City. It's mad construction. They always fucking building something. Alright, I'm gonna get out your face now. But remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. I will see you all in my next video.